Hello everyone, welcome. In today's video, I am gonna show you guys how you can add a size chart pop-up on your Shopify Horizon theme. So we are going to add this size chart button over here. So when your customers click on it, it is going to display a size chart on your store. Okay, so to get started, we are going to open the Shopify App Store. So go ahead and type apps.shopify.com on your browser. And here we are going to search for Boutiquify. Okay, gonna go ahead and click enter. And here I'm gonna click on Boutiquify size charts. Once I click the Boutiquify size charts, I'm gonna click on install. And also I have installed the app. We are going to be redirected to the get started page. Okay, here we are going to display the button on the product page. So I'm going to click on add button over here, and also I have click on add button. I'm going to be redirected to the Shopify theme editor. Here we are going to drag the inline the size button to our product information. And here I am gonna drag it again to details of my product. Okay, I'm gonna let it over here. And now you can also change its position. For example, let's say that I want it above the buy buttons. I'm gonna click on save, and once I click on save, I go back to the Shopify Boutiquify app, and here I am gonna create a new size chart. Okay, here I'm gonna choose a template. I'm gonna choose anyone over here just to show you guys. For example, this polo t-shirt, and here I'm gonna write a title, for example, polo. I can also edit the table content on the template area. For example, I can click table, and here I can choose how many columns and rows I want. For example, 5 by 5, 6 by 6. And here, if I click add content, I can go in and fill with my product information. Okay, go ahead and fill with your product information. I'm gonna click on done. Also, I have filled mine. We can also change the table layout, the table styles, for example, and we can also add convert centimeters to inks. Now I will go back to my template. I can also change the image. I can also change the rich text. For example, I can say over here, t-shirt. If I drag it above my table, I can also modify my text style. For example, I'm gonna change it to heading. Now, if I go back again, I can select my product where I want the size chart to be displayed. Let's say, for example, set chakra bracelet. And here I can go in and click on save. So let's see if the size chart it's already being displayed. I'm gonna search for, I think, set chakra bracelet. Let's click on size chart, and the size chart it's already appear. Okay, that's it guys. I see you in the next